Good afternoon, Riley Clan. So, I know I haven't been vlogging for the past 2 days, and in a little bit, I think I'm going to a soccer field to, there's gonna be like fireworks and stuff. I'm gonna post something on Instagram later on today. So, if I go, I'll show you on the way, and yeah. And for the past few, hours today, I've been just outside playing basketball with my boy Sammy. Well, he called me and see if I could play basketball. I'm sorry about that. But then watching my brother play a PS4 game on his PS4. It's called Infamous 2. I was playing on my DS, Animal Crossing New Leaf. Just been listening to music and stuff. So, yeah, that's basically it. And I'm getting my phone fixed soon, and my iPod, for whatever reason, isn't working anymore. I don't know why. Look, it won't respond. It won't respond. Now it is, for some reason. Okay, but, well, if I go, I'll show you on the way or tell you when I'm going, so, yeah. And guys, just to tell you, I'm going to be posting a little, I told you I was going to post something on Instagram later on. It's a picture. I'm going to get fireworks in the background, trying to get a good photo. I'm using my mom's phone because my phone's not working right now. So, I'll just see you on the way if we're going, or I'll tell you if we're going, so, yeah. Hey guys, so right now I'm just about to leave. Sorry about that. But right now I'm just about to leave to the soccer field. So, I don't know if I'll get a clip on the way, but I'll see you there, and yeah.
You're at the dollar store more than you're at home.
No, I'm not. Oh, fine. Give me the... I know, but it was outside. Where was it at, actually?
The Irish Memorial, which is right off of Pennsylvania.
Oh.
Chestnut in Pennsylvania.
Yo guys, so we are now here as you see music playing in the background. So I'm gonna get a clip or something from there. So I'll see you then. Yo guys, so I'm just sitting in the car right here. We're just waiting on fireworks. They'll be on in like maybe time is it? 7:47 right now. It'll be on at 8:30. Oh, what is that? Oh, fire truck. So we're just waiting. My brother's laughing at me. So we're just gonna wait and I'll show you the fireworks. Alright, so the fireworks are gonna start any second, and yeah. Hey guys, so I just want to say I just came back from the soccer field. So I'm gonna put a little clip if you've seen this right now, I put one before this clip of fireworks, and I'm gonna post something on Instagram of a picture and a little video, so go like that. By the time this video is up, I already posted it, so go like it. It'll be right down on the screen right there. So yeah, and guys, I just want to say I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be vlogging, but it's probably gonna be the next time hold on. Next time I get my phone fixed, cause I'm vlogging on my mom's phone right now. She has a good camera. My phone is cracked, so it's not working. It's not letting me do anything. So yeah, it'll probably be the next time. I'll let you guys know. Probably upload a minute video tomorrow. I don't know, but I'll let you know. And I'll see you guys next time. Gonna end the vlog right here. Peace.